Welcome back to the channel. At this point, you have a solid trading foundation. You're using the whole moving average to define the trend and the stock RSI to pinpoint low-risk pullback entries. But have you ever had this happen? The hull is green. The stock RSI gives a perfect buy signal. You enter the trade and it immediately fails and reverses on you. It's one of the most frustrating things in trading. Why does this happen? Often, it's because you just ran into a massive hidden wall of sellers. Today, we fix this. We're adding the third and final confirmation layer to our system, a tool that gives us X-ray vision into the market structure. The problem with most indicators is that they only look at price and time. They completely ignore the third critical dimension of trading, volume. Volume tells us where the real battle between buyers and sellers is happening. We need a way to see these volume levels directly on our chart, and we can do it for free. We're going to add a powerful, professional-grade tool called the Volume Profile Visible Range, or VPVR. Here's how to find it. Go to the Indicators tab. Now, this isn't in the community library. This is a built-in TradingView tool. You can find it on the left side under Volume Profile, or simply search for Volume Profile Visible Range, and it will pop up. Click to add it. Whoa. Okay, what is all this? Don't worry, it's very simple. These horizontal bars show you exactly how much volume was traded at each specific price level. The longer the bar, the more important the level. There are only two things you need to pay attention to. First, this highlighted section is called the value area. This is where roughly 70% of all the trading happened. It's the market's comfort zone. Second, this red line is the point of control, or POC. This is the single price level where the most volume was traded. It's the king of all levels, a powerful magnet for price. So how do we use this to confirm our trades? We are going to add a third rule to our system. This is the final filter that will dramatically increase our win rate. For a high probability A+ buy signal, we now need three conditions. Condition number 1, trend. The whole moving average must be green. Condition number 2, signal. The stock RSI must cross up from the oversold zone. Condition number 3, confirmation. The buy signal must happen at or near a strong volume support level, like the bottom of the value area, and have room to move UP before hitting a major resistance level, like the point of control. If our buy signal happens right below a massive wall of resistance, we ignore it. That's a low probability trade. This is how we protect our capital. Let's look at this trade. First, is the whole moving average green? Yes. Check 1. Second, does the stock RSI drop into the oversold zone and give us a crossover signal? Yes. Check 2. Now, for our new confirmation filter, where is this signal happening? Look at the volume profile. It's happening right at the bottom of the value area, a known support level. And where is the point of control? It's way up here. This means we have plenty of open space for the price to move up. This is an A+ setup. We take this trade. Now look at this. This is even more important. Is the hull green? Yes. Is the stock RSI giving us a buy signal from the oversold zone? Yes. So the old system would say, buy. But what does our new filter say? Look, the buy signal is happening right underneath the point of control. We would be buying directly into a massive wall of resistance. The odds are not in our favor, so according to our new rules, we ignore this trade. And look what happened. The price hit that level and bounced right off it. Our system just saved us from a potential loss by adding this simple confirmation filter. And there you have it. You now have a complete entry system. The HMA for trend, the stock RSI for the entry signal, the volume profile for confirmation. This is a robust system that ensures you are trading with the trend from a good location and with a high probability of success. But a system isn't complete until you know exactly how to get out of a trade. How do you set your stop loss in a logical, non-emotional way? And where should you take your profits? That is the final piece of the puzzle, and we will cover it in the next video. If you're building this system with me and you're excited about how it's coming together, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube that we're providing real value. And make sure you are subscribed and have the bell on, because in Part 4, we complete our system by adding a logical, data-driven exit strategy. You don't want to miss the grand finale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the final video of the series.